Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl lithium-ion cordless rechargeable hair clippers and trimmers for men, hair cutting kit with 10 guide combs by the brand, used by professionals. 79,600 to 2,101. The only downfall is it is a bit heavy, which makes it harder to hold. The large clipper works great and is rechargeable, but the smaller one is not battery operated, which it burns through fast. Although the clipper is working fine, it's only worth it if trimmer also functions properly. The attachments are for the larger clipper and has got a good heft to it. It feels light and somewhat cheap, but it's holding up very well and no issues. Moreover, on the bigger clipper, the backside of the blade, there are a lot of scratches. The image and description leads you to believe there is a soft storage case included. The small trimmer that comes with this set does not come with any attachments, and the overall build quality is not as nice as the plug-in versions. They feel light and cheap. Muy buena calidad hasta el día de hoy me funciona muy bien, la recomiendo a todos esos barberos. The other cone also deals with the small trimmer. It does not come with its own guards, which is okay, but harder to control, and defeats the purpose of having a small trimmer for beards. It turns on a hidden blue LED on the clippers when charging, then turns off when done. It is also very lightweight, so if you're cutting your own hair, your hands get less tired. It came with tons of guards that are for longer hair, but not many for shorter hair. It also came with a first-class zippered carrying case with slots of scissors, and a pair of scissors, and accessories, which is a classy feature. It comes in a nice zippered bag with a complete set of clipper heads from size 12 5 mm to size 8 5 mm 1 inch, sharp scissors, ear guide, and even a synthetic fiber covering for the body to wear while clipping beard. The side lever allows you to clip at even finer 5 mm lengths as desired. The lithium-powered large clipper was about 70 charged upon arrival, and required about 20 minutes to charge it fully. A hidden blue LED lights when the charger is plugged in, and goes out when the clipper is fully charged. No overcharging as can happen with some NiCad chargers. The smaller trimmer arrived without batteries, and requires 2 AA types, so a single drop of sewing machine oil was added to each end of the cutter blades. For some reason, that easy tossing of cut hair on the other brands of clippers didn't happen. The little clipper has much smaller teeth on the cutting blades, and cuts head or beard hair shorter than the large clipper. The carrying case for this could do a much better job of holding all the attachments in an organized fashion. Last haircut took 15 minutes. With this one it took 5 minutes to cut the same head of hair. There's a rattling sound from inside as if the battery, or some other major component, came loose. Thought Wahl was a big name in the clipper market, but they don't seem to make good stuff. Very impressed so far with the quality of the trimmer, and the accessories included for the price. The blade moved unclockwise and counterclockwise for 510 degrees, which makes the haircut always inaccurate. However, the cutter cuts well, and has a complete set of combs, including tapering combs, and cleaning attachment. The larger clippers are surprisingly well made, and the battery is strong, holds its charge, and lasts a long time. It would also help you find the correct guide without having to search through several. Wahl could have really made this a great clipper set if they would have put forth a bit more effort. From not holding a charge, to the blades not moving, to it actually cutting hair. So far it appears to be a very high-quality product, complete with a lot of nice accessories. It appears to be a decent little clipper, but without guards it's a pretty questionable tool. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.